Welcome to Toddler Tuesday. For today's project, I will be making these easy protein-packed energy snacks. These work great as a quick breakfast item for your kids or sweet afternoon treat. You need Greek yogurt, cutie orange slices, granola, a muffin pan, and muffin liners. Add your muffin liners to the bottom of the muffin pan. Add a little granola to the bottom of the cup. You may need to break up larger pieces. Top with your Greek yogurt. Add your orange slices or your child's favorite fruit to the top. Place them in the freezer for 1 to 3 hours until the yogurt starts to harden. These can be taken out first thing in the morning for a quick breakfast or right before school pickup for the greatest afternoon snack. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.